Every day, we generate billions of data points about our health and fitness. And yet, we barely scratch the surface of the potential it holds. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm the founder of Beat. We all have one thing, one goal, one opportunity that drives us, that keeps us up at night, that we spend our efforts, resources and money on. Something that really matters, not only for us, but for society. For my team and me, this goal is crystal clear. More sports in this world. Impossible? No. Actually, it's simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you need a goal. Take losing weight, 5 kilos until beach season opens. Second, you need someone who cares. Someone who supports you in reaching that goal. And third, if you reach the goal, you deserve a reward.
We've come a long way. 30 years ago, we started with just 2 people. Now, we've built an exceptional team of 140 employees with 40 software developers. We secured 20 million euros of private equity investments for building the world's leading gym management platform together with a viable ecosystem of services.
Here we saw the potential. Data is key, as always. The good thing is, there are already billions of data points generated by fitness apps, trackers and various software systems. But they're almost useless because the data is locked, isolated, not accessible, stored in data islands owned by companies that don't interact. And this is why visiting a doctor or gym nowadays feels like digital Stone Age.
So what is the task? It's to connect all those decentralized systems. Not as a company, but with pure technology, giving the power back to the owner, back to you.
This will change everything. Beat will change everything. The Beat blockchain will be the missing link, connecting, providing a smart contract infrastructure to agree on goals and freeing billions of sponsorship money to be spent right on target, on you.
And that puts us in front of other blockchain companies. We created an extremely well-funded business case, already running, already generating millions in revenue, ready to deliver mass adoption use cases. We would like to invite you to become part of the Beat family. Together, we will be shaping the future of the health and sports industry.